Alrighty guys, so this week I'm going to be analyzing 3 pairs and one of them is set up so good. I just need y'all to stay and see which one it is. Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyla and this is boom, LCTrades, you already know. So in today's video, we're going to be going over GBPJPY, gold, and GBPUSD. However, like I said, one of them is set up super good for the week, and I only plan on taking one of these trades, but you never know. They might all look good to me. I don't know, but just keep watching. Again, before I even start the video, make sure you like this video. Make sure you drop a comment. Please drop a comment. Tell me if I'm doing good, bad, if I suck, if I'm great. Tell me. And make sure you smash that subscribe button. Why? Because it takes 2 seconds to do that, all right? So let's just hop into the video and let me show you guys exactly what's cooking up this week. Alrighty guys, so you already know what's going on. You know we got to get the tool out. You know what's about to happen. I have to break down these charts. So I'm very excited because we just have a lot set up for the week, right? So as you guys know, GJ has been moving spectacularly, smoothly, amazingly. If you guys trade GJ, you know if you were in buys from like 3 weeks ago to now, you're like amazing. You're like up so much money right now. So let's just break this down real quick. Let's do some top-down analysis. So just gonna go over this first. GJ on the daily is going to be bearish. That means that we are selling, right? This was bearish over here, lower high, lower low, sells. Bearish equals sells. Following? Cool. So the daily is going to be bearish. Where is my toolbox? Like what is this? What is going on? What? Why would it do that to me? There it is. All right. GJ daily is going to be bearish. Everything in between, guys, is market structure, as we all know. I don't need to keep saying that, right? Right. All right. On the 4 hour, we're gonna look at it. Zoom in a little bit. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. And we have the 4 hours going to be bullish. We have our higher high right here. We have our lower high right there. Cool. 4 hour bullish. What am I spelling? Bullish. Perfect. And then the 1 hour is going to be bullish as well. So we have our higher low right here and our higher high right here. So GJ actually is my favorite. I started off with my favorite one. So why? Because I love you guys and I don't want you guys to fast forward or have to wait. But you better stay for the whole video. I don't care. So let's break this down real quick, right? We already know we have our swing highs and swing lows marked up on the 4 hour chart. So this is one of our swing highs right here. I marked this off as a swing low right here because price did use this bearish candle to push this candle closed like this, but it was supposed to close, I don't know how it was supposed to close, but it closed like this. So there are very high amount of sellers at this area, right? As we can see, it pushed our 4 hour candle all the way down. I just want to say, side note, I could have put my swing low down here, but why would I wait and try to trade and miss all of those trade opportunities when I could put it right here when this bearish candle pushed off and made this bullish candle, right? You following? Yeah, okay. And we obviously didn't get a candle closure here, but that's good information that we have now because we know that there are a lot of sellers here. So for GJ, as much as I see it buying, right, and we can look for buys obviously throughout this week to come. However, I wouldn't be surprised if it sells a little bit before it starts to buy, realistically, because as we know, the chart moves like this, right? Chart goes up, chart goes down. Has to take a breather. Goes up. Remember, we're climbing that mountain. Every time we climb up the mountain, we gotta take a break. Gotta take a water break, bathroom break, snack break, whatever. So you already know that's how the charts look, right? Up, breather. Keep going up, breather. Vice versa with sells, right? But what I do foresee in GJ, it definitely sells, but I'm not gonna say I see sells for the whole week. That's the thing. I really have to just wait and see. On the 1 hour, it did give us this indication right here. This could be a continuation candle and we can continue to the upside, but I wouldn't be surprised if GJ does something like this, like sells all the way down to this box. There's a little consolidating, and gives us that, oops, and gives us that like selling that we kind of do need, come back and keep selling down, I wouldn't be surprised by that. But hey, we're gonna take what the chart gives us. We're not looking for a specific thing. I just know that GJ is setting up really well. Right now it is taking a little break. I guess this mountain that it was climbing, it was very high. Don't give me, it was very high. So we're taking our water break right here. We just gotta see if we want to keep going up that mountain or if we're gonna start descending home. And when I say home, we're just going back to base because we are gonna keep going up. I do see that. But overall, remember, the daily is bearish. You get what I'm saying? So unless the daily will become bullish once we break this area right here. This area, oh, my tool isn't even out, bro. What am I doing? There we go. Once we break this area right here, the daily will be bullish on GBPJPY. However, we do have to wait. Just gotta wait and see. So if we mark it up on the daily, right? Mark this little level where it's at right now. Let's mark that up. Let's move these words out the way. This is a very strong like area. It has come here before and gone up. It has come here before and gone down. You get what I'm saying? Like, there's a strong area where it is right here too. But this area is strong. We can tell that it's a lot of resistance in this area. Like even, no, let's not go back in time. I'm not even gonna do that. Back in time does not matter. We are in 2026, all right? The most we go back is, yes, 2 years. So as of right now, I do understand if GJ wants to take a little break from all these sells from all these buys that it's doing, but we just gotta wait and see. Be patient. As you know, patience pays, and we will see. I do like the setups for buys, but knowing GJ is very sporadic. Is one of the top volatile forex pairs, so I wouldn't be surprised if it gives us that little dip to the bottom and starts to sell off before it goes back up. It would make sense to do so, but we just have to see. There's nothing wrong with that. Right now it's just in between market structure. As we know, there's a higher high, all the way down here is a higher low. So if we pull out our Fibonacci, right, I'm explaining this a lot. If we pull up our Fibonacci, right, and this is our golden zone. If you guys watch my confluence video, you know how to use Fibonacci's, but that 50 to 61 area is our golden zone. So if we are to if GJ is to go back here, hold on, where is it? Oh, right here. If GJ is to go all the way down here before it wants to go back up, it's entitled to do so. It's entitled to do whatever it wants. So we'll see. It looks really good for buys, but sometimes that's what the market wants you to think. It wants it to look so good that you can't resist it, and guess what it does? The total opposite. And you be sick. It'd be like, oh my god, you be looking like that forex funny Instagram. Y'all ever seen that? No.
What's up? Like, do you even care about me? Oh, okay.
Okay, cool. Anyway, so that's GJ. I really do like buys, but I wouldn't be surprised if it sells and at all. But enough about GJ. Let's go on to gold, everybody's favorite. So as you guys know, gold has been buying forever. Forever. If you watch Trades by Sai, who obviously is one of the founders of ICC, I believe, he has been in gold buys forever. He's been in gold buys, I think, for like the past 2 weeks. Me personally, wait, before I even break it down, what am I doing? Top down analysis first. The daily is bullish. I would count this as a lower high and this as a lower low. This right here, it didn't close. It closed, like, it was so many buyers that it almost closed as a doji. So the daily is going to be bullish. Daily bullish. You guys following? I hope so. Please drop a comment if you have any questions. The 4 hour, let's zoom in real quick. 4 hours is going to be the same. 4 hours going to be bullish as well. With there's not really a lower high. I would count kind of this area as the lower high, but I'm going to explain why I put my swing low there in a second. 4 hour is bullish, and then the 1 hour is going to be zoom in, bullish. Lower high, higher low, higher high. So everything is bullish on gold, right? Looks good, right? But you know, gold likes to do whatever it wants. We all know that. We know that for a fact. Gold likes to do whatever it wants. But the buys look so good. that it's kind of in the same position as GJ. Like, everything looks so amazing and so great. Oh, wait. The reason I put this as a swing low is, one, because of the 1 hour. I went off the 4 hour, don't get me wrong, but I just know in this area is a lot of buyers. Why? Because it tried to sell and the buyers literally pushed it all the way up. So many buyers there. Sellers too, because it's almost a doji candle. It's an indecision candle, to be honest. But then right after this candle happened, this huge bullish engulfing happened. So I just know this area is very special. That's why I put my swing low there. And this swing high obviously is there because this is the higher high. But anyway, as I continue, I feel as though gold does have momentum to go back up. But I also feel as though there are so many people in gold buys right now. I wouldn't be surprised if it sells. Like, I really wouldn't be surprised. Like, if you think for the past 2 weeks it's gonna keep buying, which it did, and for the third week it's gonna keep buying, you see how Trump dropped that pro crypto news and crypto like took off? The US dollar dropped and obviously gold went up. Hey, we just gotta see. Everything is like, we just gotta watch and see. News plays a very big game. Remember, guys, keep up with this news down here. Right here. See this? All of this, read it. Make sure you read it. It's very important. Read it throughout the week. It drops almost every day. Just take like 2 minutes and read it while you're on the train, don't do it while you're driving, while you're walking. I don't know. Just read it. But as of right now, gold's not giving us much to like work with. I mean, like I said, it looks good for buys, it looks good for sells. If it sells, I will be taking it down here. If it buys, we're just gonna keep riding the wave and see how much higher it buys. But like we need that break, retest, that indication correction. We need that on either side. So we have to wait and see what it gives us. And then GU is going to be the last pair, the last and final pair that I'm analyzing for the week. Top down analysis, we have, let's get our handy dandy tool out. Daily is going to be bullish. We have our higher low right here, higher high right here. 4 hour is going to be bullish as well. Let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see. Higher low right here, higher high right here. So the daily is also, bullish. Okay. And then the 1 hour is going to be, oh Lord, it's a lot going on. So this was a higher low. This is a higher high. This higher low got broken by this candle right here. So GU is bearish. This is our lower high right here. This is our lower low. GU on the 1 hour is actually consolidating, as we can see. What am I writing? 1 hour is bearish. So GU, there's a lot going on here. It could be a potential head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, possible other shoulder. We have to wait and see what GU wants to do. Obviously, I drew my swing highs and swing lows based off of structure. So I drew my swing low here based off of these couple of candles right here. Swing high because it's a higher high. Yeah, let's just wait and see what GU wants to do. It's gonna give us some type of indication to either side. And after that, sells, I wish it would sell. I wish. I wish the US dollar got some momentum this week coming up, but we'll see. This will be my first take profit. This will be my second take profit. So we just gotta wait and see for GU. There's not much to speak on with this one, other than it's just a waiting game. Like, honestly, all of the 3 pairs I talked about are a waiting game, but GJ just looks so beautiful, bro. It looks great for buys. But like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it sells. Not gonna be surprised at all. And if GJ sells, GU will be selling as well. So all in all, I will be going live. Also, I do want to say that I am going to be starting a $100 challenge. I'm not doing the funded challenge yet, but I'm going to start the $100 challenge, and let's see where we could get to by the end of the week. I'm going to be going live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9 a.m. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's just hop into the outro because I talked about everything already. Alrighty guys, did you like the video? I hope y'all liked the video. But I will say GJ is my favorite, then gold, then GU. It's literally how, as I went over it, is the order I would like to trade it this week. Whichever one presents the best one is going to be the pair for me. I won't be trading all three because I'm pretty sure there's going to be one that looks sexier, amazing, great, and I'm going to jump into that one. But stay tuned. Like I said, I will be doing a $100 challenge. I'm going to be funding it, and we're going to be trading together live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9 a.m. Be there. And before I end the video, just make sure you like this video. Make sure you drop a comment because I love you guys, and tell me if I'm doing good, bad, or if I suck, if I'm great, whatever. And make sure you smash that subscribe button because at the end of the day, I love you guys. I want you guys to watch this video, but more importantly, I want us to build a community so that we can all just trade together and just be friends and all that, right? Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah? All right, cool. But thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you catch me on the next one, all right? Have a good rest of your day.